看那个车上还有人呢，你看看，完了。
哎，小心，小心！哎，喊都喊不赢了。来，把它抬过去，抬过去，靠边走啊，那个地方走不得的啊。
好的车子都熄火了。我操！
Floods kill 6 in China. Floods have affected over 40,000 people and damaged crops on 1,800 hectares. The Three Gorges Dam, China's largest, is on high alert as floods triggered by torrential rains wreak havoc in the southwestern part of the country. Record rainfall in Chongqing has caused flooding in a dozen districts and counties since Thursday, raising the water levels in 29 rivers, state news agency Xinhua reported. 6 people have died in the region, which has received over 250 millimeters of rain, according to the Chongqing Hydrological Monitoring Station. An aerial drone showed a township submerged in muddy waters.
门都完蛋了，内涝了，看见公交车了吗？马上就没底儿了。这车上还有人呢，他也不赶紧跑。下边的车。 妈耶！瞧瞧，我的个天呀！哎呦妈哟！你瞧多少车呀！我的天呀！
那车有人就完了。
那个车亮了灯，是不是车上有人呀？
哎，就是有人。
哎呦呵！
完了，
有人可危险了。
有人可完了。
哎呦我的个天呀！
往那下车吧，下车。
你瞧那个车上还有人呢，你看看。
完了。
The Dianjiang County in Chongqing received 269.2 millimeters of rain on Thursday, the highest in a single day ever. The rains have affected over 40,000 people, forced the evacuation of several areas, and damaged 1,800 hectares of crops. The rains and subsequent flooding have also disrupted operations at the Chongqing railway station, leading to the suspension of 26 train journeys on Thursday. The Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters on Thursday raised the flood emergency response to Level 3 in the 4-tier response system, in which Level 1 is the most severe. As flood preparedness and response enter a critical period, we should strengthen warnings and monitoring and timely evacuate people in areas at risk of geological disasters, Chongqing's mayor, Hu Henghua, said on Thursday. It's better to be extra careful to prevent any potential losses. Authorities are also facing challenges along the Yangtze River basin as the water level in the Three Gorges Dam reservoir has risen to 161.1 meters, the highest ever in July. Heavy rainfall is anticipated in the upper reaches of the river over the next 10 days, with a new round of floods expected to flow into the reservoir around 16 July. Chongqing Water Resource Commission said. A flood with a peak flow of 45,000 cubic meters per second is forecasted to enter the reservoir on Friday, and 2 other significant water surges are expected in mid-July.
人呐，哎呦！
这整个是河道的水都翻上来了，这是。